Wow. Hey girl, hey, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited. I just got the best wash and go of my life ever and I cannot wait to share it with you. So if you want to see how I got this super defined, super shiny wash and go on my 4C hair using just one gel, keep on watching. So today's wash and go is going to be done with this one gel right here from Allicate Naturals. It is from their Lemongrass collection. It's the Lemongrass Hold It Styling Gel. It says that it contains quality ingredients for kinky, curly, wavy, and straight hair, but also for locks. As far as the directions, it says to apply a generous amount of the styling gel from roots to end, distribute it from roots to end after you wash your hair. It says style as desired, using heat or allowing it to air dry. Now, you can also use it on second or third day hair. If you're doing that, you will have to make sure that you spray your hair with a lot of water and then apply the gel, scrunch it up, and redefine it into your desired style. It says that it contains no mineral oils, no petroleum, and no silicones. Now, one thing I noticed here, doesn't say anything about wash and goes, which is what I'm going to be doing today. It says give your curls the kind of firm, manageable definition you want with our new Lemongrass Hold It Styling Gel. Show off your favorite styles, juicy curls, defined twist outs, and sleek edges using products within the Lemongrass Style collection. The lemongrass oil helps to strengthen the hair follicles, I can't speak, promote healthy hair growth, reduce hair shedding, soothe dry hair and itchy scalp, and make hair feel silky and look shiny. So nothing about doing wash and goes with this gel, but I've seen people do it. So I am going to attempt and hopefully it works out fine for me. There's no smell to this at all, and it is a clear gel, so I don't think you would have any issues with flaking if you use it with other products. Of course, you would want to do a test anyways just to make sure. What I did was after I washed my hair, I sprayed my hair with their leave-in conditioner from the same collection. If I can find it, I will show you guys. I sprayed my hair with that first, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the gel to my hair. And I also have my handy dandy spray bottle as usual so that I can re-wet my hair. It has warm water in here. I will wet my hair as needed. I also noticed that it did not say anything about having to use it on wet hair, like very wet hair, like a lot of other gels. They do mention that you have to use them on sopping wet hair. It doesn't say anything about this here, so we will see how that goes. Let me go ahead and jump into this wash and go and see what happens, and I will give you my final thoughts and show you the results right after we're done. I do have multiple wash day routines videos on the channel, so if you want to see a wash day routine from me, I will place that for you in the description box. I'm also going to be using my Felicia Leatherwood for those sections that are super small. I haven't used this brush in a while, but I still really like it. It does feel like a gel. I do like the consistency of it. I do think we are heading into the right directions, but of course, I can't really, I hate predicting stuff because if you've watched my channel before, I'm sure you've noticed that a lot of times I'll get excited about something and then the end result just ends up being all kinds of crazy. So I am just going to make sure I do this and then give you my actual thoughts when it's all said and done. So I'm pretty much using my fingers and smoothing the gel down this small section of my hair, and I'm also using my fingers to kind of sort of rake it in, but nothing major. But if you see my face here, you can see that I am already impressed with just this one section, which I wasn't expecting at all. Okay, so that is well, so I am zooming a little here just so that you can see what my excitement is about. You know what? I said I wasn't gonna start getting excited before it was all said and done, so I'm not gonna get excited. But I mean, I am not even raking my fingers through my hair, and do you see that definition coming through already? That's something. Let me just keep going. Okay, so I must tell you, so far I am liking what I'm seeing, but again, we never know because a lot of times I end up loving what I'm seeing, then when it's all said and done, it's a whole catastrophe. So I am going to go ahead and continue working this thing through my hair. But I don't know if you notice as well, I'm not even doing a lot of effort for me to get the definition that I'm getting right now. So this is very effortless for me. So I am definitely loving this whole process, but I am going to continue and then we'll see what happens when it's all said and done. So I'm really trying to hold myself back and not be too excited because you guys already know what happens when I get too excited. But I mean, I cannot help myself. Like, do you guys see this? I do not remember the last time I've had that kind of results, although this is not done. But I mean, do you see definition, the shine in here? There's no product buildup. And I'm asking myself, how come I've never tried this gel before? Like, I just don't get it. Like, how come you are now telling me about this? Like, I thought we were friends. As you can see, this is what we're working with, and I don't know what to say. I am amazed. Do you see that definition? I mean, I know I keep talking about it, but do you see that definition? Definition shine. Oh my God. Like, I don't remember the last time I used a gel like this. Like, this is, to me, this is amazing. Okay. This is amazing. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. But so far, I am loving what I'm seeing. I'm going to sit under the dryer, do my usual hour and a half, and then I will show you what the final results are. And I will let you know for sure by that time if I actually really love it and if this is going to become a favorite, because I kind of have a feeling that this is going to be the case. But listen, this right here, like, I really don't know what to say. Can we just acknowledge the fact that this is day 4 hair and my hair still looks like this? It feels like I only did my hair last night when actually I did it on Friday and today's Tuesday. I have the shine, I have the definition, I have the hold. My hair looks and feel great, and to me this is amazing. Like, I am mad at myself that it took me that long to actually try this gel. I don't remember the last time I got that excited about the gel because to me this just checks all the boxes. It has the hold, it has the definition, it has the shine. Let's also not forget the fact that there is no flaking and there's no frizz whatsoever. But also, do you see how my hair is just hanging? I feel like once I applied the gel to my hair was just locked into place and it just stayed this way. And this is actually showing more of the length of my hair versus when I use other gels. So if you've seen any other wash and goes from me, you'll usually notice that my hair kind of stands up, but with this one my hair kind of hangs. That's because it pretty much locks everything into place, and I love this. Now, if you do not like crunchy wash and goes, you do not like stronghold, this may not be the gel for you. I'm gonna let you know right now, but I do have other wash and goes on the channel with other gels that are still amazing. I will have those links for you in the description box. But if you are like me and you like a stronghold, you like a crunchy wash and go, something that will last you long, you have the same type of hair, this is definitely going to be the gel for you. So I highly suggest that you check it out. And I really don't remember who suggested that I tried this gel, but I thank you because I don't know what I was waiting for. I guess I just needed some advice. Okay, so I definitely love this. You guys, you know that I was trying not to get too excited because a lot of time I start trying a product and I kind of see results or I kind of see something happening and I get excited. But when it's all said and done and my hair dries and it looks pretty much terrible, that wasn't the case here. Like, this gel surprised me from beginning to end. And with the kind of hold that I have right now, I know this can go over 2 weeks if I want to. I mean, I am a weekly washer, so I may not go that long, but if ever I have this gel on and I cannot do my hair within a week, this definitely going to help out. So I am definitely loving this, and I feel like I may get to try other products from the brand because I think this is my first time ever using this brand. So I honestly don't know what I've been waiting for. Those products are not new. This gel is not new. The lemongrass gel is not new. I think it's been here since 2019, but this is my first time ever trying it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, you just want to say hi, you have any comments, or you have any other gels that you think I should try for my hair that I may like, leave me a comment down below. And if this is our first time meeting and you appreciate the content that I share with you here, don't forget to give me the thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any future uploads from me. If you want to see more from me, I have tons of videos already on the channel. I will have some suggestions for you on the screen. Check those out. Thank you so very much for hanging out with me today, and I will catch you in my next one.